meantime, let us get the ball rolling. Well, guys, let me put my number because parents always want my number. So let me just give it to them. Hope you guys are right. And this little something never scared you guys like it scared me because I was like, what? What's happening here?
You're in the wind, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, it frightened me too.
Yeah, man, it was scary because because they didn't want us. I was like, what is happening, man? And then I didn't.
Yes, sir. My aunt opened the window and she nearly flew away.
Yeah, man, it was wild. It was violent. It was.
And light was in and out, sir.
Yeah, my light went away. So I just got it back today. That's why we didn't have the morning class for those who used to join like me. But happy me.
I wish I was there.
Yeah. All right. So let's go, guys. Let's go. It says examine the three shapes below. Each shape represents its own unique set of numbers, of digits. Not numbers, digits. All right. So it says use them to answer item 27. So the square represents 2, 7, or 9. Circle 4, 6, or 8. Triangle 1, 3, or 5. If any given number, in any given number, each shape represents one of the digits given in the set. Which three-digit number could be represented by triangle, square, and circle? Why they make that one here look oval? Alright, so these are the three numbers. So look at them, examine them, and say which you think would be the answer. WhatsApp it to me, guys. Alright? Okay, found the answer. Send it to me, guys. Alright, go ahead. Yeah.
So, sir, how I got my answer, sir? I started out with A, sir. So, triangle has 5, square has 7, but, sir, the circle does not have 3, sir, so it could not be A.
Okay.
B, the triangle, for B, sir, the triangle has 3, the square has 2, but the circle, sir, does not have 3, sir. Sir, for D, the triangle has 1, sir. The square has 7, but the circle does not have 8, sir. 9, sir. So, sir, for the 396, sir, the triangle has 3, the square has 9, and the circle has 6, sir. So the answer is C, 396.
Very good. I agree. All right. So in that case, we need to do elimination process, right? Because it's not like we can calculate something and then that would be the answer, right? So we have to look at it, look at all the options and go through them one. And the order matters as well, right? So because this has the 3, it should match with the triangle, right? The triangle match with the 3. In this case, only numbers can go is either 2, 7, or 9. If it's not any of these numbers, then it don't make any sense, right? Just like with this, we had 1, 3, and 5. So it have to go with the order. And one of them have to match with it. 9 match with it. With the circle, even though they turn this one in an oval, it has to be either one of these numbers. 4, 6, 8. So not only if it have it, but the order matters. It's 3, 9, 6. Alright, very good, Mia. Thanks so much. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, so this one says Anthony is thinking of a number that is more than 689 but less than 875. Which of the following numbers could Marcus be thinking of? But he said Anthony, so only change it. A mistake, guys.
So can I do this one?
Yeah, man. So Lopez will walk us through when everybody send their answer. Thanks so much, Lopez, for volunteering.
So Anthony is thinking of a number that is more than 689 but less than 875. Which of the following numbers could Anthony be thinking of? A. It could not be A because it's less than 689.
Yeah.
It is B because it is more than 689 but less than 875.
Yeah, very good. That's correct. That one was pretty straightforward, but we still have to read it and interpret it, alright? What they say, which is less than or which is greater than. Thanks so much, Lopez. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Alright. Look at this one now, guys, and it says which number is the largest? So it's a fraction, but they want to know which of these fractions would be the largest. So go ahead, do your thing. And is there anyone who wants to walk us through this one? The 29? Let me know.
And at first, so first what I did is that I simplified the fractions into common fractions. 48 over 96 would be 48 over 96 would be a half. 18 over 24 would be 3/4. 90 over 110 equals 11. 40 over 50 equals 4/5. And then I found out which number is the largest fraction, I should say. And it would be C, 9 over 11.
Yeah. Another way you could do it, guys, after you break it down, because I think these two can be seen as close, right? Because it's 4 out of 5, 9. We can eliminate this one, these two, because these are 3/4 and a half, right? We can see this 4/5 as a fraction is what, 80%? So this is how we could have also approached it, guys. Since it's between these two, we could have simply find the LCM of the denominator and see what's the value of each. What's the lowest number that 11 and 5 can go into without a remainder? Think about it, guys. 11 and 5. What's the lowest number? Both of them can go into without a remainder.
55.
55. So then you're going to see 11 into 55, that goes 5 times. Because you're bringing them to equivalent fraction now, you know. So 9 times 5 is 45. So what this means that 9 over 11 is the same as 45 over 55. And then you're going to do the same for this. But this time you're going to see 5 into 55 goes 11. So you multiply 4 by 11, which is 44. So what this means, or what this is saying, 4 over 5 is the same as 44 over 55. Now they have the same denominator. We can compare now and see which is larger. Out of these two numbers, 44 and 45, which is larger? Out of 45 or 44, which is larger?
45.
45. And then now you just match back 45 with the 911. So this is a way that you could have approached it as well. But very good, very good. All right, next one, guys. Next one. Can I get a reader? Sir alone and read. What's up? What's up?
Sir, I want to read.
110. C.
Can I get a reader for 30, guys?
After you simplify, then they're gonna find the LCM and they get the answer right there.
Guys, can we get a volunteer to read for number 10?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead, Kenny.
Smart Choice Smart sells pen for $18.75 each. Approximately, how much would 2,000 pencil cost?
Read the options too as well, man.
Oh, less than 20,000. That's A. More than 20,000 but less than 40,000. That's B. More than 40,000 but less than 60,000. That's C. And more than 40,000, more than 60,000. That's D.
So go ahead, guys, work it out, and then WhatsApp me, and then we can have a volunteer to walk us through, all right?
Sir, I'll do it.
All right. So Jonathan volunteered for that one.
Sir, I did send you the workbook. Sir, I did send you the workbook.
Okay, I didn't see. But go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. Smart Choice Smart sells pens for $18.75 each.
25 cents each, yeah?
Each. Approximately how much would 2,000 pen cost? So first thing that pops up per mind is multiplication. It couldn't be addition, but why? It would be less than, you wouldn't get the answer for the answer that's on the screen. So what I did was multiply $18.75 times 2,000. Since
You
there's
can walk
three
us through that
zeros,
process.
yes, sir. Since there's 3 zeros in 2,000, I skip those two and start multiplying by 2. Since it would take long.
All right.
So we say 2, 5 is 10. Carry down the 0
Where
and
though? Oh,
1.
where I should start?
You should start at the ones column, sir.
This one.
No, the ones, sir, on your right. On your right.
Is here.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So you bring down the 0, carry over the 1 to the 7. Then you're gonna say 2 times 7 gives you 14. But that's plus 1 equals 15. So you put the 5 on the tens column and carry over the 1 to 8 to the hundreds column. Then you're gonna say 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 8. Yeah, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. You put down the 7 in the hundreds column and carry over the 1 to the thousands column. Then you're gonna say 2 times 1 gives you 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is $37.50. So I
But
said,
the other kids might say it's a 3,750. But why are
oh,
you saying it's 37? You can tell them why you say it's 37.
oh, because of the decimal point, sir.
Okay.
Because of the decimal point that I added. Then I was supposed to remove it.
Okay. So what's your answer?
$3,750.
But no, what's the option here?
The option would be B. Why? Let's go over to A. It says here less than 20,000. That is not correct because that is over. Because that is over than $20,000. B, it says, now I'll hop over to C. C, it says here more than $40,000, but less than $60,000. That is incorrect. Let's say, for example, let me say 50,000. C would be the correct answer. And it says here D, cause that is way lower. So for D, it says more than 60,000. And if we hop over to our answer, that is less than $60,000. So that's why I say B.
All right, thanks. Everyone agree that it's B? Do we agree, class? Jonathan thinks the answer is B. More than 20,000, but less than 40,000.
So I agree.
All right. Anybody have a different method from Jonathan's? Who work it out differently?
Sir, is Jonathan's answer correct?
Yeah, B is correct. I know why you're confused, because you see him have the 3,750 here. But remember, he said he's gonna ignore the zeros to just kind of have a feel of the number. And then you'd add back these, right? Eventually you'd add them. And then put back a 2 decimal place. So when you put back a 2 decimal place, he didn't really say it, but I know that's what he means. Because he was saying 37,500. That's how I know that he actually understands what he's doing. So he said he's gonna just ignore them zero because it take too long. Right? What I thought he was gonna say, sir, start over here, so you have the zeros and you start here. That's what I thought he was gonna say. But he's saying that at the end you just add them back, the 3 zeros, and then put back a 2 decimal place. So he didn't explain everything to the T, but it's correct. All right, it's correct. I see the girls then multiply right out with the zeros. Nothing is wrong with that either, but this can work. All right, but you have to understand the place value and that the 3 zeros is gonna make it come over. So it's 37,500 and not 3,750. All right. So yes, it's correct. It's correct. On to 31 now. It says the table below shows the distance 4 students live from school. Use this information to answer 31 and 32. This one was similar to the paper that we did before. But let us do 31 first.
So it says, sir, it says which students live the closest to school. So you're gonna look at it. Like it says, so the students are Lamar, Shamara, Aldin, and Trina. And the distance they live from school is in kilometers is 2.2, 0.6, 1.5, and 0.7, sir. So the biggest one, Lamar lived the farthest from school, which is 2.2. So basically, you can eliminate Lamar. And in second place, Trina lives the second farthest from school, so you can eliminate Trina. So you have Shamar and Aldin left.
So you're going to compare them. You're going to compare 0.6 and 1.5, and again say which one is smallest. 0.6 is the smallest, which that Shamar this one from school. So basically the answer will be Shamar.
Yeah. But you said that Trina lived the third
No,
furthest?
sir.
Oh.
No, sir. Trina lives the second furthest from school. Lamar
Hold
lives
on. Trina lived further than Aldine? Which one of them is
yes.
further? Which one of them live the furthest? The further, because I two of them. Which one of them live further from school? Aldine or Trina?
So let me tell you. So in I'm gonna list them from the farthest
Yeah.
to the closest. So in first place is Lamar. Lamar is the farthest from school. In second place is Aldine. I made a mistake.
Yeah.
And then in third place is Trina, and in last place is Shamara. But
Yeah.
it asks who lives the closest. So basically, you're gonna say which person comes in last place and Shamara. So
Yeah.
basically, the answer is Shamara.
Yeah, Shamara. I agree. Why I kind of pick up on the error though? Because what if the question was to list them in the order from the furthest to the closest or from the closest? So this one, 1.5 is actually greater than 0.7. Because remember, 0.7 don't reach 1. Very good, it's correct. You pick up on your own little error. That's fine. All right, remember they say both of them related to this, right? So I have to go back up. He said, which conclusion can be drawn from the information in the table? A, all the students live more than 2 kilometers from school. B, all the students live less than 2 kilometers from school. C, all the students live less than 2.5 kilometers from school. While D say all the students live between 1 kilometer and 2 kilometers from school. Study them carefully, guys, and we could go back up. Or I need to come back down. Let me see if we can have all of it on one page.
Sir, could you go for later?
Yeah, man, that's what I'm saying. All right, you basically can see everything on one page. So do your thing, guys. What's up more you think is the answer? Go ahead.
Sir, which conclusion can be drawn from the information in the table? So, answer A says all the students live more than 2 kilometers from school. That would be incorrect. Lamar is 2.2 kilometers away from school. So, B, all the students live than 2 kilometers from school. So that would not be the answer because Lamar is 2.2. So like most of them are because of Lamar. Okay, so C would be the answer. All the students live less 2.2 kilometers from school. And that would be correct because Lamar is the highest and it's 2.2. So it couldn't be 2.2 kilometers from school.
Very good. I don't need to add to that. That was well explained, right? So it says all the students live less than 2.5, and as she says, Lamar is the highest, and he basically live 2.2 kilometers from school. So there's no way. All right, good job, Katina. Very good. All right, let's move on to 33. There's another. Oh, we did one like this the other day, guys. It's gonna take some time. These are the ones that take a little bit more time. Alright, this is Ronnie and Arnold are training for a fitness competition. Table below show the number of push-up Ronnie and Arnold completed. Use this information in the tables to answer item 33. Alright, so you're gonna use the table to figure it
So
out.
I remember we did one like this, sir.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. We do one similar. It's very similar, Amatapa. I think only the numbers change. Same concept, same everything. Alright, so I guess this is just practice. Go ahead, guys, and do your thing. Alright?
So it says Ronnie. So Ronnie. So the number it's a number the number of push-ups Ronnie completed on day 1 is 30. And then the number of push-ups he completed on day 2 is 40. So the main thing is we're trying to find the amount of push-ups he completed on day 7. So when you add, so you can say what plus 30 give a 40? 10. So then on day 3 he does 55 push-ups. You're gonna say what times 40? You're 55. 15. So each time when they add the number to a number to get that number, they add 5 to it. So like 30 plus 40 is 10. Then they're gonna add 5 to 10, which makes 15. And then 15 plus 40 is 55. 55. They're gonna add 5 to 15, which makes 20. So 20 plus 55 is 75. Then they're gonna add 5 to 20, which makes 25. So 25 plus 75 is 100. Then they're gonna add 5 to 25, which makes 30. So 30 plus 100 is 130. So that's for day 6. Day 6 you completed 130 push-ups. And then 30 plus 5 is 35. So 130 plus 35 give 165. Then you're going to look at the options. So that's day 7. On day 7 he completed 165 push-ups as well as Arnold. So you're going to look at the options now. A says the number of push-ups Ronnie completed on day 7 is less than the number of push-ups Arnold completed on day 7. The answer for that, sir, would be wrong. You know why, sir? Because when we worked out, the completed the same. Then B said the number of push-ups Ronnie completed on day 7 is greater than the number of push-ups Arnold completed. That would also be wrong because they completed the same amount. They both completed 165 push-ups in total. The number of push-ups Ronnie and Arnold completed on day 7 is the same. That would be right. So the correct answer would be C. But even though I got the answer, I looked at D, and D said the number of push-ups Ronnie and Arnold completed on day 7 cannot be determined from information given. It can be determined because they gave a specific pattern. So the answer would be C.
Correct. Good job. That's correct. See, guys, you have to just pick up the pattern. Once you pick up the pattern, what is happening, then you're good. So from 30 to 40, 10. 40 to this, they added 15. So each time, as Jeremiah said, it's like they're adding 5 to the previous number that they added. So they add 10, they add 5 to that, 15, add 15, add 5 to that, give it 20, 25. So then that's how we added 30, because he added 30, 25 to this, add 5, so added 30, and then says another 5. And at the end, both of them got 165, which is the same. All right, well, thank you so much, Jeremiah, for explaining. That was well done. All right, next one, guys. Who's gonna explain this one? 2 out of every 5 boys in a school like playing cricket. If there are 385 boys in the school, how many of them do not like playing cricket? So work out that for me, please. Read it again for yourselves, all right? Interpretation is very important. All right, so it says 2 out of every 5 boys. So we can probably write that fraction. I always say that to you guys, write down the information, have it in front of you. So after you read it, you pick it out, what makes sense, and you just make a note of that. So it said 2 out of every 5. That means it's basically 250 now. What these people do? They like cricket. Remember, you know, guys, only people don't like cricket, you know. And I lie me at you. Alright. So if there are 385 boys in the school, how many of them do not like playing cricket? So if there are 2/5 boys that like cricket, what fraction do not like playing cricket? Who can tell me that? Guys, what fraction do not like playing cricket? If 2/5 like it, right? What fraction do not like?
3/5, sir.
3/5. So this is the fraction that we actually working with.
Sir, it would be 3/5, sir, because then at 3/5, so 3/5 and 2/5, sir, but you're gonna get a whole, sir.
Yeah. And then now we look at the total, which is 385, and we just drop that over 1, and then we divide 5 into, once a number ends with 5 and 0, 5 can go into it, right?
Sir, 5 into 3, the 85 was 77 times, sir.
Oh, you calculated already. All right. So this would give you 35 and then 3 and then 7 again. So that's 77.
Sir, the answer is C.
Hold on, 3 times 77 can't be that, man. 77? 7 3s alone are 21, you know. It have to be D. 3 7s, 21, right? 3 7s, 21 plus the 2. Have to be D. So D would be our answer because they did not ask who like it. They said who not like it. Or if people not like it. 3/5 who not like it. Alright. Alright, let's move on. What people them catch a number here before we move on?
231.
You see, guys, you have to read it carefully. They say who do not like it. They don't want who like it, you know. Alright, let's look at 35 and we have 10 minutes. It says Chantal is able to type 165 words per minute. How many words can she type in 20 seconds? Do your magic and we'll come right back. Let's go. Alright, go ahead, Mia. Give it a try.
Sir, I turned 1 minute into 60 seconds, sir, because they want the answer in seconds.
Alright, so 1 minute equals 60 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then I divide the 60 by 20 and got 3, sir. Sir, then I divide the 165 by 3, sir. Then I got the 55, sir, as the answer.
So 3 into this goes 5 times, right? 3, 5, 15. Subtract. Three into 15, 5. So the answer should be A, 55. I agree. There's another way you could look at it, guys, but I think this is simpler than our probably could show you. So you could work out for 1 second, how many words in type for 1 second, basically, by probably just doing this, right? Same conversion, and then you probably divide by the 5. 5 into this, or 5 into this goes 3 times, remainder 1. 5 into 15, 3. So that's 33. 5 into this. 12 times. So now, how many groups of 12 we can get out of this? That's our 2 times, right? That's a 24 and 6 and 3, 9 over 12. So we can break down this to 2 3/4. So it works out to 2 3/4. That's how for 1 second. So in order to get the 20 second, you can just simply multiply it by this. And we know when we multiply, right? We put the 20 over 1. 2 4s 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. And of course, we could say 4 into itself 1, 4 into this 5. 5 times 11, 55. Or we could convert it to decimal and multiply it, but that's more complex. 2.75 times 20. But we could multiply by 10, right? And then by 2 if we want. So if we multiply by 10, that will go at 27.5, and then we times it by 2. Alright. Thanks so much, Mia. It's correct though. Good job. So guys, we're gonna end. I'm gonna post this video now so you guys can watch it back. This is a very interesting paper. I just want to share it with the other kids. And you guys can watch it too as well, alright? So guys, we're going 5 minutes over the time. We're gonna end now. I'll see you guys tomorrow, alright? Today was great.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care.
Bye.
I thought you guys did well
Sir.
though. I'm so proud of you guys. Bye, take care.
Sir, what year was this paper?
It's a practice paper.
On grade 6, sir.
Yeah, man. Mental ability. Very
Okay.
nice paper. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
That's our first exam coming up in February. I think February 13.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
we cannot waste time. We have to go right into it.
Sir, my mother can't waste time.
All right. So, guys, see you guys tomorrow. All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you guys
too, sir.
tomorrow. Yeah. I put my number because parents are always a little in the comment section, so they want.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Mama,
Take care.
My mother can talk to me after class.
All right. All right. No problem, man. Yeah.
Sir, so can I see the video now?
Can't be no. I have to download it and then upload it. You understand? That's how it works. But the meet have to end and then it have to take a while to download and then me have to upload back. I only for working it, you know, guys. Now, because you see me put out video like dirt, it's just because I love children and them something there. But it's hard, man, trust me. So you will get it today, though. I know you missed the entire thing, so you can check it out, alright? I'm gonna end now, guys. Take care.